Hello everyone, I am David and this is my YouTube channel GGL Auto Service. In today's video I want to show you how I clean the interior of my Opel Corsa so that it looks almost like new. As you can see, it's not very dirty, although the mats needs to be washed deeply. It's also been a few months since I did the leather care and now it's time. So let's get started. I will start by removing the mats. You can see how dirty they are, especially the driver's seat and the right rear seat where my daughter sits. And now let's suck it up.
So they say for everything a reason, for every ending a new beginning. Oh, so they say, baby, for everything a reason. And so they say, baby, for everything a reason. And those who love you will be together. Yeah, those who love you and so they say, baby, and so they say, baby.
We go on with the cleaning of the mats. The one in the trunk is the least dirty since it's made from some kind of PET and paper mix. I won't get it very well. First step, remove all stuck on dirty with a brush and drill. Then I vacuum up all the dirt that is now loose. Next, I use a mixture of water, ammonia and dish soap in a bottle and wet the mat. Now with the other brush and the drill, I rub the entire carpet well so that the product cleans the fabric. Finally, dry the entire surface well with a towel. The procedure is similar for the floor mats, although this can get wet. Therefore, I can add more cleaning product, which is necessary because the mats are dirtier than the trunk mat, and I can safely rinse them with plenty of water. course we have to let them dry well, because they collect a lot of water. You can see them dripping. Now I will move on to cleaning the interior trim. I have a product from Yeon that cleans very well and also smells great. At first, it seems to leave a glossy finish, but once the product dries, it leaves a matte finish like the original. Highly recommended. Don't forget to clean the windows, they weren't very dirty except from the glass where my daughter sits, which was super dirty. As I already mentioned, I haven't treated the leather for several months. This is something I like to do every 3-4 months, and I think it helps keep the leather surfaces in very good condition. Here you can see that the leather in the calf area of the driver's seat feels a little drier than the rest, so it is urgent to care the leather. For leather care I always use color lock products. Usually I use the cleaner with the sponge and then apply the leather cream, leather protector. The leather sealant you see here is used in new leather according to color lock, so I won't be using it in the Corsa, only in the Kia, although the Kia is no longer that new. These products are fantastic. They clean brilliantly, they moisturize the leather very well, and they leave a completely matte finish. You see, the process is simple. We put the cleaning agent on the sponge. You can also use a brush if the part to be cleaned is very dirty, and rub it on an area. We then remove the product with a cloth and we continue the process for the remaining surfaces. When the area is clean, we start applying the leather cream. As you can see, we put a little product on a cloth and I spread it on the seat. Then I put the product on a cloth again and move on to the next spot. You can see that the leather absorbs it immediately. The finish these products leave behind is fantastic. It's time to put the floor mats back in the car and to see a few before and after pictures. The change isn't radical, but it feels super clean now. And that's all for today. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. If you liked it, give it a like. And if you have any doubts, questions or suggestions, you can leave me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.